Cimber, who's different from Garcia, goes down on strikes. I'm swinging. So
you didn't get the call there. Throw a better one.
3-2, and he got it. Great job.
Oh, and he got him. It's an odd delivery from Cimber.
Melendez strikes out.
Well, how can I keep Romano sharp?
Right.
How can I keep Cimber sharp?
Climb the ladder. 2 down.
For one, odds are overwhelming. You'll probably call it for both.
Strike point. Cimber just made quick work of.
He waits the 2-2 to Cimber. Another 1-2, and Cimber fools him and is fired up, striking.
Swing and a miss. Cimber strikes out Grossman. 2 down. 2 strikes. Strikes out on the side.
Here we go again.
Strikes him out. 2 down. Who was 1 for 3. And how about that? Adam Cimber makes very.
0 for 12 he had against Houston, but past that he's been good.
He takes a cold third strike. That was way
not done yet.